Easy DIY Pearl and Heart Bracelet Jewelry Tutorial. Let's us go through the materials. 30 pieces of 6mm white pearl beads. 1 heart-shaped black transparent bead. 4-piece half-circle beads with 2 holes. 1-piece antique Tibetan silver big hole bead. 1-piece flat end pin. 2 pieces of 18-20 cm stretchable string. Now, let's start making our bracelet. We can start off by taking one of the string. Slide on 3 white pearl in. This is the 3rd beads. Next, slide in 1 the half circle bead. Afterwards, slide 10 white pearl beads onto the string. Oopsie, 1 bead run away. You will get something like this. The arrangement of 3 white, 1 half circle, 10 white. Next, slide another half circle in. Slide 2 white beads. Take the antique Tibetan silver big hole bead and slide it in. Slide 2 more white beads afterwards. Slide another half circle bead. Now insert 10 pieces of white pearl beads in. After the last bead of 10 in, take another half circle bead and put on the string. You will get something like this. We need to put the last 3 white beads before we tie the string. Now tie the end securely, but not too tight, cause it will make your bracelet not that stretchable anymore. It will look like this after being tied up. Now we can work out on our second string. We just need to repeat the first string beads arrangements back. For the half circle bead, we'll be using the other empty hole on the bead. For the middle part, insert 2 white beads and bring the string into the same antique Tibetan silver big hole bead connected to the first string. Continue repeating the first string pattern and seal at the end with knots. You should have something like this. Now let's work on the heart-shaped bead. This bead have a big hole, so we'll need to use another white bead as the base before putting in the heart bead in the wire. Cut the extra wire and make a loop at the end of the wire with round neck plier. Open the loop with flat end plier so we can put it on the antique Tibetan silver big hole bead. Seal it back properly and securely. Let's cut the extra stretchable string. Leave around 0.5 centimeter so the knots won't become undone. Hide the extra string by pulling it into one of the bead beside it. Our bracelet is now complete. If you enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, comments, and subscribe.